to install development tools, and ultimately I want to be running FIO on CentOS 8.3. So let's give that a try. Looks like we can do some DNFing here on development tools. Let's give that a try here. DNF is a new command to me anyway. I guess it replaces yum. Let's give this a try. Yep, well, what's it going to put in here? Kernel tools, ooh, looks good. Perl, ugh, don't want Perl. Looks like this is going to put in the whole kitchen sink. That's fine with me. So in they go. And we'll see if that helps us compile FIO. So ultimately I want to put in FIO 3.26. Lots of Perl stuff going in here. I used to like Perl. I'm not so crazy about Perl now, given Python is better, I think. Okay, 4.18 kernel development. That's good for building a kernel. Auto make, auto configure, kernel headers, puts in Java, puts in everything. Probably too much if I had only a little bit of space on here. Graph viz, this is probably overkill. Okay, that's all done. So let's take a look now at, this is a brand new machine, so I'm going to do a wget again on this FIO instance here and see if we can get a hold of it. Copy that link. Do a wget on this thing. Okay. There we go. Okay, we got that in here now. We got FIO in here. Let's unzip it. Unzip this thing. Let's untar it. Let's try and build this thing now with hopefully the better C compiler. The last time I tried this, the C compiler was too old. On CentOS 7.9, it looks like I need zlib development. Let's get a hold of that. Zlib development. All right, what did we die on here now? It doesn't look like it died. Actually, got 4 cores, make minus J4 is faster. Yep, look at it go now. Okay, that made FIO, it looks like. Let's see, is it here? Yep, there it is. Is there a make install in this thing? Okay. Okay, that probably gives us FIO here. No rule to make target FIP. FIO. Okay, let's see if it's in here. Looks like it might be here. There it is. Use little bin FIO. So that's how to build FIO and install it with CentOS. Next video, we'll attempt to use it and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.